Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button. I do post on my channel every single week. But today I am doing a massive spring SHEIN haul. So I went ahead and picked up a bunch of their new spring pieces and I wanted to do a try on haul. I am partnering with SHEIN and they were so gracious enough to give me a coupon code for you guys. So if you use the code XONICOLE, you'll get an extra 15% off your order. And currently right now, it's the time to shop on SHEIN because they are having their huge spring sale and they're having up to 90% off of their prices and prices starting as cheap as a penny. I will have all the links to the pieces I share in my description box as well as my coupon code, of course. But with that being said, I am just so excited to jump into it. I received this package a couple days ago and it was really hard for me not to open, but I wanted to do kind of like an unboxing first impressions on camera with you guys. So I went ahead and waited and I'm so happy to be filming this now because I can't wait to start wearing all the new pieces. So let's just get right into the pieces. In this haul, I actually did go ahead and get a bunch of kind of like cute oversized graphic t-shirts. I've been really realizing that I don't really have a lot of cute graphic t-shirts. I have a lot of like oversized t-shirts that are just like my like sleep shirts. You know those like really rugged, ugly t-shirts that you wear to bed, but I don't have any like more stylish, cute ones that I could wear out and about. So I wanted to get more of those. And the first one I picked up is this really cool one. And it's just this black and white t-shirt with a butterfly in the middle. And it just has this little cute expression. It says to be yourself. Honestly, I love butterflies. I always loved butterflies since I was a little girl. Fun fact, I used to have like a butterfly themed room when I was like 10 years old. You guys have been watching me for a while. When I had my purple room at one point, it was purple with butterflies everywhere. You could definitely wear this with like biker shorts and just transition it into the warmer weather. But like I said, I just wanted to kind of have more oversized t-shirts that you can wear out and about that are cute but super comfortable at the same time. And yeah, it's actually really stretchy and the material is super soft, and I just liked how it was half black and half white. I thought that was really cute as well, and it does run oversized already, so I feel like this is gonna be really nice and big. Moving on to the next piece. I think this is another t-shirt as well. Oh yes, I love this one. So I went ahead and also picked up this oversized t-shirt. So it's just plain and pink in the front, but on the back, it has this like cool kind of like ruby design. On the back, it does say happy growth and has like the little mushrooms and the butterflies. And I just really like the print on the back. I thought that was really cute. They do have this in a bunch of different colors, but I thought I would get pink for the springtime because I do have a lot of more neutrals and darker colors. And I feel like I need to add more color back into my wardrobe because it's looking a little bit bland with all like the neutrals. I love this shade of pink. It's definitely the perfect bubblegum pink, and I love how the writing in the back is a bit more of a magenta pink. Definitely, once again, very stretchy and soft, kind of like the same material as the black and white butterfly t-shirt, but like I said, they have so many cute graphic tees on their website right now that are super comfortable. Moving on to the next piece. Speaking of biker shorts, I went ahead and picked up a two-piece set. So I went ahead and picked up these biker shorts, and then it comes with the matching black t-shirt. So they do have these in colors, but sometimes I'm a little bit wary about colors. I didn't want it to be see-through or anything like that. So I went ahead and did go with the black. And I think this is really cute to have it as like a cute little set on the go with a little cute crossbody purse as like a cute outfit for errands. I definitely wanted more like jumpsuits in a two-piece set, which you guys will see the other pieces. I believe I went ahead and picked up a jumpsuit in another two-piece set, but I just think they're super easy to throw on. They're really casual, and I love how it's just super affordable, but you kind of get two pieces. So I'm definitely gonna wear these shorts even with other things, including those two tops I just showed you. Super stretchy material, really soft. The material's actually been really nice and soft, which I really like, and I just think there's a lot of room and it's very forgiving. It does have a lot of stretch, which is really nice, but this is definitely gonna be one of my go-to casual errand run outfits. Okay, let's switch it up and let's move on to footwear. So this is actually a pair of slippers. They had a lot of nice shoes, which I always am like, I feel like I could just do a whole haul on shoes because I love my shoes, you guys know that. But when I saw these slippers, I just thought they were so cute. They're just kind of like those flip-on styles, but they have little crystal butterflies on each strap. And I thought that was so adorable. I love having slippers that are kind of like flip-flops, or I even like kind of like the slip-ons with like where it's covered. They have a really good bottom. It's just super soft and so fuzzy. Let's try this on to make sure it fits. It fits. I'm obsessed with these. They didn't have half sizes, so I was a little worried because I'm a true 6.5. But I did get the size 7. I believe these came in other colors as well, which would be really cute, but I thought black would be better because they won't get as dirty. Unfortunately, lighter colors I find just get more dirty if you're walking around in barefoot with them, especially if this is like white fur. I feel like it would get dirty really quick. So I really liked the black for that. Okay, moving on to a more colorful set. So I know what this is. This is another 2-piece set like that black one. It is just kind of like tie-dye. It has the blue, the pinks, and the whites, and it just comes with these shorts. I have to say these shorts are a little bit sheer. They're definitely a lot more thinner compared to the black ones. But I thought this was really cute to just honestly lounge around in as well. But it's really soft and nice on the skin. I feel like this would be really comfortable on. And this one did come in petite. I feel like I should do a whole SHEIN petite haul because I am sure I am 5 foot like 1 3/4, 5'2", you know, I'll go back and forth. Some days I'm 5'1", some days I'm 5'2". And I really love the petite section on SHEIN because it really allows me to buy clothes that aren't like super long. Every time I buy like straight sizes when it comes to pants, they're usually like dragging on the floor, and I hate getting things altered. I feel like I just never do. And so the petite section's really great because I find that those fit me a lot better than the straight sizes, especially with like the length of the pants. They actually aren't super long and dragging on the floor. So if you're short, definitely check the petite section and shop through that because the length will just be a lot better. I like how they have like petite, plus sizes, straight sizes. They have a bunch of different variety on SHEIN, so that's really great to kind of shop according to your body because of course we're all different. And I do have quite a bit from their petite section, and I have to say I love whenever I can find something that is on their petite section because it just fits like so much better, like I said. But I thought this would be really fun for like the spring, summertime, the different colors. They did have this in other tie-dye colors with different ones, but I really liked the pink, blue, and white. I just thought it was very bright and vibrant, and like I said, I'm definitely gonna lounge around in this a ton. Okay, so I believe this is a jumpsuit. Yes, it is. So I went ahead and just picked up this jumpsuit. So this is just a jumpsuit that has the pants, and then it has, it is sleeveless, but I've been seeing girls wear jumpsuits a ton, whether it has the long pants or the shorts jumpsuit. I just think this is such a cute outfit to wear around. You can even throw a flannel on this or just a little sweater or wear this as it is in the summertime, and it's just super comfortable. This is actually so soft and stretchy, so I'm really hoping this fits well. Oh, and I just realized it's in petite. I did get this in petite, which is always great for me, like I just said. It does have a zipper all the way in the back, but I'm really hoping this looks good on because I've been seeing girls wear jumpsuits and I've been loving it, and I think it's a really cute casual outfit, but it's super comfortable. And honestly, I'm all about the comfort. I always like buy outfits that are like really nice and fashionable, and I find I like never wear them if they're not super comfortable. I'm all about looking cute but comfortable at the same time. And we have one more piece. So I feel like I forget what this one is. Oh my God, no, this is a dress. I forgot. So I went ahead and picked up a dress. So this is just in a beautiful blue color. I absolutely love this color blue. I feel like I don't have any pieces that are this color. I believe it's like almost to the ground. It might be all the way to the ground on me. Hopefully this will look good because like I said, I am so short. So sometimes things are so long. but I loved it. It's so soft, it's form-fitting, it just has the long sleeves, and it has kind of like the cinching down on the stomach area, and it just looked really beautiful on the model. I've been having so many occasions lately the last couple of years where I've needed a lot more dresses, and I am one to like never get dresses. So when I saw this, I thought this would be really nice, and I feel like this will come in handy one day. And I definitely have an event in mind for this, so hopefully this looks really good on. I'm excited to try it, but I just think it looks really elegant and classy, and I think this is just going to hug the curves really nicely. So that is my entire SHEIN spring haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you did. I will link down below some of my other SHEIN hauls if you guys want to check it out. I've done a SHEIN haul just on bikinis and just like different ones, and you guys seem to love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that, as well as all the pieces I mentioned, and of course my discount code XONICOLE. Make sure you use that for an extra 15% off on top of the sales they're already going to be having. So check out their huge spring sale that's going on right now. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I do post on my channel every single week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!